Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Tanya Leonardo Miclat, and I am 30 years old, and I am married. I have two children, ages 10 years old boy and 5 years old girl. I am a high school graduate. I have one sister, and I am the youngest in our family. I have work experience as a local helper for 4 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, car washing, and also cooking. My main duty is taking care of their son. I'll give a food on time. I'll take him a bath every day, give a vitamin and medicine as per doctor's prescription. Sometimes I tutoring him, sing a song for him, play with him, and I love him as my own. Sir and ma'am, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am a honest, obedient, patient, loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Sir and ma'am, I'll promise to you that I will obey your rules and regulation at your home, and I'll promise to finish my 2 years contract and extend if you need me more. Sir and ma'am, I need this job to support my family and better future of my children. Thank you, sir and ma'am. God bless.